Well, we were talking about my deer coming up on my deck, and here's one. He is a fawn from the shear. He's my favorite. He actually would run up to me. First time I ever had a fawn do that in the spring. And I would just stand there. The first few times it happened, I was like not scared to death, but I was certainly shocked. So he decided to come up the deck and eat the bread. And I just put corn out there for him, but that's not good enough. See if I can get a little closer. He's just munching down. He came right up my steps. I just worry about them getting off the porch because, aw, he's got such a pretty face. Actually, yeah, it is a he. He's got little nubbies, barely visible. It's my guy.